Hey guys, we are back. 2022 real estate market forecast is upon us. For those of you who are like, wait a minute, Lance, it seems like it's never ended. Yes, with our monthly market snapshots, our market forecast has kind of continued. That is by design. However, we will be doing our traditional annual. This will be our 11th year doing our real estate market forecast. So we're kind of stuck in the old COVID box again. For the last 2 years, we've been doing a virtual event. We were debating back and forth, live event, live, virtual. Bottom line is we kind of got stuck with venues and COVID and masking mandates. Even though we're coming out, by the time we were making all these plans, we basically did the virtual event. So that's what we're looking at. It is going to be different though than what we've done the last couple of years. We are going to, in effect, do long format interviews with industry experts, economists, some of the old ones and some new ones. But we're going to basically interview them and release them within 24 to 36 hours from the time we do the interview, which, by the way, we're starting to do these interviews in a couple of days. Today is February 23rd. This video should be hitting our social media on the 23rd or 24th. And within a week, you're going to see long format interviews with industry experts. Our plan is to put out somewhere between 12 and 18 of these interviews over the next 4 or 5 weeks. And then we will be building up to our keynote, which has been Chris Thornburg, who I believe this is our 11th year doing this. And I think Chris has done 10 of the 11 years. So we'll continue to basically put out who we're going to be speaking to over the next couple of weeks. And frankly, if you miss one, don't worry, because they'll all basically be on our Facebook page and all over social media. So we're super excited about that. Just to kind of give you a little bit of perspective on our forecast, how rapidly things are changing. Again, today's February 23rd. Last I checked this morning, interest rates were about 4%, and that's if you've got great credit, a job, down payment, and all the rest of that. So that's a dramatic change from even 5-6 weeks ago. Certainly a little higher than anybody had projected. California Association of Realtors projected interest rates to be below 4% on December 31st of 2022 at the end of this year. Mortgage Bankers Association, pretty much the same thing. So does that mean we're going to end the year at interest rates above 4%? Who knows? But as of today, we're already there. We have inflation concerns, we've got Russia invading Ukraine, we've got energy issues, and then all sorts of fun stuff, not to mention we're coming off a year of 20% appreciation, generally speaking, depending on your marketplace, not to mention the rentals. So for those of you that are thinking, wait a minute, Lance, the party's over, this is unsustainable, the market's going to crash. Okay, we can have those discussions. We will be having those discussions over the next 3, 4, 5 weeks. However, how does the market crash when rental values have gone up 30 to 40% in the nation? I saw an article this morning, Long Beach, one-bedroom properties, rent increases year over year, over 50%. How does that happen? And by the way, how do you have real estate values crash when you have rental values that are accelerating? That doesn't seem to make a whole lot of sense to me. Having said that, neither does a 50% appreciation in rents. So all sorts of fun stuff to cover. Watch this space. Super excited. We're going to put out tons and tons of content and look forward to our big finale, if you will, with Chris Thornburg. We don't actually have the date set. It will be sometime near the end of March, no later than the first week of April. But you'll see that as we start posting these videos, and we'll nail all that down for you. So thank you so much for supporting our forecast, and we'll be seeing you quite a bit over the next several weeks.